Okay guys, now we'll see how to upload files and download files in Express. Like downloading files is pretty much easy, but for uploading we have to write like 3-4 lines of code maybe. So for that we're gonna use this package which is called Express File Upload. You can see the weekly downloads. It's pretty much easy. You just install like this npm install express dash file upload. Then whatever your files are, which it will come in your files request files, and you can use as a middleware also. So let's just show you. It's not that easy also. So firstly we'll install npm install express file upload. So it's done. Now we'll just run the app node mon. Okay, yeah. Now firstly we'll make a get route. What happened? Yeah, we'll say request response. Now here we'll say res dot send hello. Now if I see, so hello working, so there's completely no problem. Now how to use file uploader? We'll just add here file upload. Like firstly we are importing express file upload. Now here we'll just say app.use like normal file upload. So after uploading, the files come in the request.files module. Okay, so we'll just console it. Like this. See, after we have console, everything's fine. Now how to send files from here? So in Postman, let me don't say, in Postman you will come into form data, in the body form data. Then here you can just select file, and here you have to give the name of the file. So any name, you say sample, select files. I'll select this file. Now if I want to send the file, hello came, but undefined. Why? Because you are sending some data. So for sending some data, it should always be post request. So we'll change into post, and here also we'll accept post. Now if we send it, okay, this got yeah, send it hello. Now we say we got the file. So let's just see what are the data we got. We got sample, the name. So name is the this file name, and the sample is the key name. Then data, which is a buffered data. Then the size of the data. So you can put a limit. If the size greater than 40 MB, just don't let it be in. So it's in the bytes. Encoding meme type, this is also helpful. You can say if the meme type is video, don't accept, like we only accept images. And move is basically for saving your data. And if you want to send two files, just come here, file, and here say file 2, send. See, we got sample first, then file 2. See, this was before sample printed, now afterwards sample and files. So you can say request.files.sample, then you will get this data. Then request.files.file2, you will get this data. Okay, but suppose you want to send extra data, like JSON we were sending from here, you want to send JSON also. So here you just say data, and here you say value, send. See, we still not got printed. Why? Because it's in the body, so here we'll say app.use. Now here we'll say console. So now check again. See, data value. So you can send the body also, files also at that same time. But there is one more implementation. When you sending a file, so the content type should always be multi-part slash form data. So whether you are using Postman or React or normal JS, whatever, so always whenever you send a file, it is always in multi-part form data. A normal JSON is in application slash JSON. So it has already been set by the Postman. We don't have to do. Now suppose if we just remove these two files, just send the data, and if I hit send, what happened? Yeah, so if you say headers, let me just come here, console the headers, console.log, save it. Now if I hit send, so you can see the content type is multi-part form data, body this much. Why? Because previously when we were sending, so this got set. And so if you are sending normal JSON data also, then it can also be sent on like multi-part form data. It like not requirement of it should be of file type or like application JSON. If you are sending like JSON only, it can be multi-part form data also, content type. Now let's just see the file and how to use that, like save it. We got files, so firstly we'll say constant file, we save in a variable what request dot files dot sample. So the file name we are going to send is a sample, so let's just send the file2 only, file2 also, but we'll use sample file for now. Then we'll give some name to the file, we'll say constant, we'll say file name, okay, .jpg. So we will save the file with the file name .jpg. Now here we'll just say file .mv move function, and where we want to move, so we'll move in uploads folder, which is in the current folder only. So we'll make a folder here called uploads, and with what is the name of the file, so here we'll say the name of the file should be this file name, and it will give us two parameters. Basically one will use one error, and I'll say if error return res dot send error dot message, otherwise res dot send success. So we remove this, yeah. So now let's just see send body, then we got the success. So let's just see in the upload, so we got the file, you can see we got the file. But what again if I send it here, again suppose I am now sending the color file, not the sample file, I'll use the file2. So I'll just say file2, save it, everything's fine. We got the file2 also, you can see this was just a color box. So there is one thing, this got overwritten because we have the same file name. So how we can differentiate? So we can say like we can use the file name, you can see we were getting the file name here, name, this name, But name also, it's not very much usable, because if they are sending the two people sending the same file name, then what will happen? So we'll just say date dot now you say, okay, if someone is sending like two people are sending at the same time, then the time will also be same. Then we'll add a plus and we'll say request dot files dot the file 2 dot name, then the file name also. So we'll add these two, then it won't be a complication. Now if we say hit send, let me remove this printing of, okay, not printing anything. Send. See, we got the this color. Now how many times I send, it will keep on creating new files. See, we don't have to write the file name, it will automatically give a new name like new date plus the name in the file, and that will get saved here. And you can add memes also. If request dot files dot meme is equals to image slash png, we'll say return rest dot send, we only accepts video. Okay, so if you send it here, request dot files dot file 2, sorry guys, dot file 2, why it's, let me just pin the request. So it's with the name, okay, meme type is the name, mim type, ty type. Okay, yeah. Now if I hit send, you now got reloaded and send, we only accepts video. So you can just check whether it's a video or not, what type of. If you send a video, it will have a meme type of video slash mp4. If it's a text file, then it will show you a text file. So you can just put a compulsion. Then you can give the size also. If like size in bytes is this much, so we don't accept your data. If size is that much, we won't accept. So a lot of stuff you can just write it here like conditions, and you can do that. Now come the downloading part. How you download files? Oh, really easy. Just remove all of it, rest, and you say dot download. So let me make it a get request because we are downloading basically, and we'll say slash uploads, and the file name is suppose file name dot jpg. You can see this file. Okay, save it, and we'll get here, change it to get. Yeah, reload it. Now get, see, we got back the file. So it's showing you directly the file, and you can have like this file, whatever file you need, and I can just use let me just send this app.js file only. So I'll just say app.js. So you can see we got the whole text file here. But if you want to send two files, so you can just write two times I'm not sure two times because it's a response maybe work for only one times. So let me just check writing two times. Okay, yeah, you can see we can send it two times. But I think it has gone once only. Mm, so if I just say PC package, okay, this is pretty much big file, so I think that's why something happened. I think it's sending only one time, but there is a way you can send two times also. So let it be. So suppose I'm sending this image file, and I'm show you in browser also. So if I say into uploads slash file name dot jpg. Okay, guys. Now if I just go here and play localhost, see we got the file. So whatever file you are want to download and stuff, just say res.download and the file name, and the file will get downloaded on the user side, so there is no any problem. So that's it in this uploading and downloading of files with the help of Express.js.